Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Gomez and today we are going to set up a new environment from scratch on Demeter. So as you can see, I've already signed in. If it doesn't say console, it's probably going to say sign in. Since I'm already signed in, I'm going to click on this console link. Great. Now that I'm here, I can create a new project and I'm going to name mine Andamio. All right, now that that's created, I'm gonna go into hosting and I'm gonna add workloads. I'm gonna add a workspace. Okay, so here I have the option to connect to a repo on GitHub. I wanna do this since I am working through the PBL course on Andamio and I wanna connect to this repo. This is a transaction example that I'm working on. I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and I do want to get the main branch, so I have the option to do that here. Great. In your case, you might want to connect to a different repo and select your tool chain. As you can see, you have the option to connect with Aiken or PluTX. In my case, I don't need any of that. I'm only going to need the Cardano binaries. And I want to create a small workspace and I want to connect to the pre-prod network. I'm going to name my workspace Gimba Labs and I'm going to create it. Now this is going to start provisioning, but I'm not completely done yet. I want to have a Cardano node available to me, and for that to happen, I need to go into ports, add products, Cardano node, and again the pre-prod network, and I'm going to deploy. Once this is running, if you go into hosting, provisioning, this is probably going to restart again since I just added a Cardano node, which is fine, but this is going to take a while in order for it to start up. Once this is fully live and started, you're going to have this option available to you. When that is, you can start working on your project. And that's it.